22 साल की उम्र में 27 फिल्में और 27 में भी हिट का रिकॉर्ड। आज हमारे साथ हैं मलयालम इंडस्ट्री की जानी मानी एक्ट्रेस अनश्वरा राजन। अनश्वरा,
Hi,
एनडीटीवी में आपका स्वागत है।
thank you.
तो ये बताइए कि रेखा चित्रम कैसे हिट हो गई इतनी बड़ी फिल्म?
Rega Chitram, it's not a thriller actually. It's the genre is kind of drama. So hit in this sense. So we're talking about a film set, a film which is called Kadora Kadora, which shot in 1980s. Okay,
ओके,
so we're talking the behind. It's called the film genre is called an alternative history.
ओके,
So there's this part of cinema which already happened. So we are talking a part which could have been happened.
ओके,
It's an alternate history. So it's a new genre we are trying in Malayalam cinema. So it's something fresh for the audience. So they're liking it right now. So it's going. It's a blockbuster in Kerala right now.
yeah. The 6
Yeah.
crore budget and 28 crore rupees earning till now in 5 days, it is going good.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Wow, how you prepared? रेखा का कैरेक्टर कैसे तैयार किया आपने? कितनी मुश्किल था वो?
So I am playing a retro character in this film, which is the character name is Rekha. For me, I personally like playing a vintage character. So there wasn't much preparation for the character for Rekha actually. We shot in Kanyakumari and in Cochin. I can say this much preparation. So we had a struggle scene in the film. Me and my co-star, we had a Zerin. Her name is Zerin. So we had a fighting kind of scene in the film. That was bit hard for us. I had small marks over here. She was having marks over here because I was constantly fighting her. So that scene was bit hard. Other than that, we didn't have much preparation for it.
ये करिश्मा कैसे किया आपने ये ना? 22 साल की उम्र में 27 फिल्में और 90% हिट है आपकी मलयालम में।
Uh, uh, I don't know how I did it. I love doing films. I love acting. It's just something I feel like it's something I'm meant to do. So I'm doing something I'm loving and I'm happy about it. And first thing is that people are loving the films. So I'm happy about it.
15 की एज थी जब आप फिल्म में आए, है
Mm-hmm.
ना? तो हाउ यू
Mm-hmm.
कैरी आपने अपनी स्टडीज को कैसे कैरी किया आगे?
I completed my 12th
ओके,
and currently I'm doing distance studies.
ओके। विच सब्जेक्ट?
Sorry?
विच स्ट्रीम?
It's BSW, Bachelor Social Work. I
ओके,
don't go to college. I can stay at home
ओके,
and I can prepare for my exams. I just have to write the exams.
ओके।
Yeah.
तो आपने मामूटी के साथ काम किया, मोहनलाल के साथ काम किया, मंजू वारियर के साथ काम किया। तो पहला फर्स्ट ब्रेक कैसे मिला आपको?
First break,
Yeah,
first film. So I started as a child artist at the
yes.
age of 15 with Manju Varimanchechi. The thing is, I got a great co-star with me to begin with, Manchechi. She was such a warmest person I have ever met. And starting from there, I've done films with greatest actors of all time, like Mohanlal sir and Mammootty sir. It's a surreal experience for me because I never thought I would be an actor. I was an accidental actor. So beginning with such a great actor and doing films with such a big actors is a big thing for me, and I'm learning so much from them. All my co-stars, I'm learning so much from them.
नहीं, पहला रोल कैसे मिला? फर्स्ट रोल कैसे मिला कि मतलब आप स्टडी कर रहे थे, क्या था?
Yeah.
हाउ यू गेट फर्स्ट रोल ना?
Like I said, I'm an accidental actor, so I wasn't great at my studies, so I just want to skip the classes. So I thought I'll go to the audition. I used to do monads and skits in the
ओके।
school and all. So I just want to skip the classes. So I thought I'll go to the audition. So I went to the audition for the film, and I got it. I'm still surprised that I made it.
योर फैमिली वाज़ ओके कि नो कि आप एक्टिंग करिए, कोई इश्यू नहीं है?
No issues at all. They are really supportive. So I'm
ओके,
coming from a rural. I came from a rural village, so they all people were kind of conservative that oh someone is acting in the film, but my parents were really supportive. They are really happy that I got a chance in the film, in my first film, which is Udaranam Sujata. I got it. I'm acting in a film. They are really supportive about it. Also, my sister, she's really supportive.
आपने बॉलीवुड में भी काम किया है, तो वहां कैसे पहुंचे विदाउट एनी गॉडफादर?
Bollywood, I did a film, Yaryan 2, um, directed by Radhika Rao Vinay Prasad. So I got an audition call for the film, and also their first film, Sanandiri Kasam. I love the film. I used to cry a lot watching the film. So I got the audition call. They asked me to send a video, which is like a reels video that I have to lip sync to a song. So I did it, and they called me for a meeting, and yeah, I'm in for the project. And also, I didn't know much Hindi. So it was kind of hard not knowing the industry and not knowing the language. But my co-star was really supportive. Misa was really supportive about it, and the team was really supportive. So yeah.
तो बॉलीवुड एंड मलयालम इंडस्ट्री, व्हाट इज डिफरेंस? दोनों में किस तरह का अंतर है?
What I think is that Bollywood is much wider industry compared to Malayalam. So when it comes to Malayalam cinema, they're more content oriented, I think. When it comes to story and also when it comes to the content, they really want the content to be, to the point. And but I love watching both films. They are really beautiful in their own way. I love watching the Bollywood films, which is really more aesthetic.
ओके, तो लास्ट फिल्म कौन सी देखी है बॉलीवुड की?
Last film. So I'm coming back to the all cinema. I watched the recent cinemas in Bollywood, but currently I'm going to the all cinema, which I didn't watch. Currently I'm watching Balki Saki Chinikam.
ओके,
So yes.
जो वर्किंग
Working
कल्चर है
culture.
जो है इसमें,
I don't think there's much difference for me as an actor. There's much difference in the culture thing. It's for me. It was basically the language which was harder for me. But there's no much difference in the working culture over there. Like I said, they are more into the look because yeah, main thing in Malayalam we don't care much about the looks, the way I dress or way I talk. We want the actors to be more realistic. But when it comes to Bollywood, they want it to be really beautiful, so pretty, like it. So they made me so pretty because I loved watching me on screen because the makeup was really good, the costumes were really good. So that's the difference I found in Bollywood industry. Because for me personally, I don't care about the way I look in the Malayalam film, but when it comes to the Bollywood, I really have to care about the way I look, which is nice actually. We can see the best version of ourselves.
ओके, तो किसी नए बॉलीवुड प्रोजेक्ट में काम कर रही हैं अभी? एनी न्यू बॉलीवुड मूवी, अपकमिंग मूवी?
Currently, not right now. I'm doing Malayalam films right now, back to back. So currently, I'm focusing on Malayalam films. So also, I'm doing a Telugu film and a Tamil film. If I get a good project, yes, I'm looking forward to work in Hindi cinema.
So which director or actor in Bollywood you like to work?
I was a huge fan of Balki Sir, to be honest. I was a huge fan of him, and yes, Bansali sir, Sanjay
Okay.
Leela. I grew up watching the series he produced. So being in his frame, it's something else. I love watching the actors. I love watching his making style in cinema. So maybe Sanjay Leela. Bansali sir.
Any Bollywood actor you want to work with?
Personally, there's no Bollywood actors. Yeah, Ranbir Kapoor. I'm a huge fan of Ranbir Kapoor. Yes.
हमने सुना है कि प्रेमालू 2 में भी आप हैं.
Not really. I heard the rumors too, but not really.
Yeah, it is on social media that you are working in Premalu 2.
Yeah,
ना?
even I have seen it, but no.
Okay. ये बताइए कि जो मोहनलाल हैं, मामूटी हैं, which type of actors or person they are on set?
I'm a fan of both of them.
Okay.
To be said, they are really professional. I mean, let be Mohanlal sir, let be Mammootty sir, they're really professional. And also, I never worked with Mammootty sir. We never had a combination since we have done a movie together, which is Oslot and Rekha Chitram, that my last 2 films, but we never had a combination scenes together. But we all know that the person he is such a this aura he's carrying around whenever he enters a set or a place, a room. He lights up the room. And also, I had a lot of combination scenes with the Mohanlal sir. So Mohanlal sir, we all have seen, we all have heard about it, because Mohanlal sir is a kind of person. He shifts because he'll be like just talking to everyone. He'll just chilling. When the director say action, he'll just shift to the character,
Okay.
which is I only heard about it. So first time I'm experiencing the actor he is. So I was surprised when I witnessed it in real life. So they are such a nice person to begin with. They're me being a beginner and working with them and learning from them and having dialogues together. What I can say, I'm happy about.
7 years का एक्सपीरियंस हो गया आपको फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में,
Okay.
तो कैसा रहा ये जर्नी अभी तक? काफी उतार चढ़ाव है या एकदम स्मूथ चल रही है? कैसा? Which type of journey you describe?
It's not smooth in industry. No, there's no smooth in anything. If we need to, if we need it, we need to work for it. There's no easy way, or there's no, we can't cut the corners or anything. We have to work for it. We have to hard work for it. So I'm doing something that I'm loving, and I'm working for it. And I think I'm making a space for myself in the industry.
In the 2024 आपकी 2 फिल्में हिट रही हैं, है ना?
Mhm.
Two movies were hit. Now starting with Rekha Chitram, and it is a blockbuster also. So क्या है ये आपके पास फॉर्मूला मूवीज चूज करने का?
Mainly, I focus on the director.
Okay.
He's the captain of the film, so I focus on the director and I focus on the content. If I just don't want to be a full-fledged film that I am the male hero, I don't focus on a film which is I'm the female lead and I have to be there in the film from the starting to beginning. I don't focus on that. I just need to be in the film. I just need to be in a good character. I just have to be the good character in the film. So I only focus on that. So I got many good characters, so with good crew. So I think that's the thing, focusing on the director and giving your everything into the character.
तो अभी और कोई भी ऐसा डायरेक्टर एक्टर है साउथ में जिसके साथ काम करना चाहेंगे आप? कोई ऐसा, जैसे पुष्पा 2 ब्लॉकबस्टर रही है, अभी आप तेलुगु में भी काम कर रही हैं, तो है कोई ऐसा जो आपके हिट लिस्ट में हो?
In South,
हाँ, इन साउथ.
there are many directors that I want to work with. Maybe we all know to be in the frame of Maniratna sir, what it is. So maybe Maniratna sir and the direct Rajamouli sir. Yes, there are many directors that I want to work with.
So you don't
Okay.
want to also dance, sing, so do something like that. No, you are doing a lot of serious roles.
I can say that I'm focusing only on serious roles or anything. I want to try everything. That's why I did a film in Bollywood, which industry that I'm not familiar with, because I want to break my comfort zone. So that's why I did a Bollywood film. I didn't know the language, like I said, I didn't know the language and all. So I want to break my comfort zone. I just don't want to be focused on one character, one genre or anything. I want to try everything, everything that I can do, which I'm confident.
Now you have to reply in Hindi one question, okay?
Oh my God, nah.
कोई any role you saw in
Okay.
Bollywood, Hollywood, or in South, any role you want to repeat, or if they make remake of that movie you want to do? कोई एक ऐसी फिल्म जिसका रीमेक बने,
I got the question.
उसका आप करें.
Maybe I know it's the film. It's not a retro, the all film, but I love Tamasha. I love Tamasha film. Maybe if I get a project like that, I think I'm happy that I'm happy to do something like that. Don't ask me to answer in Hindi, please. I'll make grammatical mistakes.
So any upcoming project you want to discuss with us? कोई ऐसा प्रोजेक्ट जिसके बारे में हम ऐसा बात करना चाहेंगे? कौन-कौन से हैं आपकी अपकमिंग मूवीज जो आप बता सकते हैं?
I'm doing a Tamil film with director Selvaraghavan sir.
It's an action movie or which type of movie it is?
Yes, it's a sequel.
Okay.
This is film 7G Colony, which is a hit in early 20s. So it's a sequel of it, which is 7G Rainbow Colony Part 2. I'm doing the project right now. Yeah.
Thanks a lot अनुष्का हमसे बात करने के लिए. आपको
Thank
आने वाले प्रोजेक्ट्स के लिए ढेर सारी शुभकामनाएं और रेखा चित्रम की ब्लॉकबस्टर कमाई के लिए आपको ढेर सारी बधाई.
Thank you. Thank you means a lot. Thank you so much.